Hello, my friends. Welcome back to library. I hope that you are having a wonderful week and you're very excited for winter break. I know I am. When I'm reading you this story, it is really snowing outside, so hopefully you were able to play outside and enjoy the snow. All right, our story for today is called Latke the Lucky Dog, and this is about a dog who gets very lucky at Hanukkah time. Latke the Lucky Dog by Ellen Fisher and illustrations by Tiffany Beek. I am one lucky dog. Imagine a mutt like me being picked as a Hanukkah present. It happened one day in December when a family walked into the shelter. A mom, a dad, and two kids, Zoe and Zach. Zach said, "I want a big dog." Uh-oh, I thought. I'm not big. But Zoe said, "I want a little dog that'll fit in my stroller." I tried to curl up as small as possible, but I'm not little. Then Mom said, "Let's compromise and look for a medium-sized dog." Yep, that's me. I danced around and wagged my tail. Finally, they noticed me. Dad said, "Look at this one. He's playful, medium-sized, and golden brown, like a fried latke." Here he is, about to get adopted. And that's how it happened. They took me home on the first night of Hanukkah and named me Latke. I am one lucky dog. As we came into the kitchen, something smelled delicious. Oh, do you see what he's smelling? This is my home, I thought, so I hopped up on a chair and helped myself. But Zoe said, "Latke ate all the sufganiyot." Then Zach patted me on the head and said, "Poor hungry Latke. They didn't feed you enough at that shelter, did they?" "Thanks, Zach. I am one lucky dog." They're not getting mad yet. On the second night of Hanukkah, boxes wrapped in paper and bows were on the floor. I'm the new guy, so they must be for me, I figured. I tore them open, but there was nothing for a dog. "Look what Latke did," said Zach. "He tore our presents." Time for me to hide behind a chair. But Zoe picked me up and said, "You were just trying to help, weren't you, cutie pie? We'll wrap them back up and pretend nothing happened." Thanks, Zoe. I am one lucky dog. On the third night, I smelled something frying. "Now don't touch these," Mom said, shaking her finger at me. "Latkes!" shouted Zoe. "Dinner for me?" So I ate them all. "Bad dog," said Mom. "You heard your name, didn't you, boy?" said Zach. "We can still have Hanukkah without latkes." Phew! I am one lucky dog. Wow, they're being very patient with this dog. On the fourth night, I tried to spin Zoe's dreidel, but it got chewed up. Zoe said, "Oh no, Latke, that was my favorite one." Uh-oh, this time she didn't call me cutie pie. Zoe, Zach, and I played chase on the fifth night. Whoops! We knocked over a bowl of applesauce. Time to hide behind that chair again. Wow, he's getting into a lot of trouble. On the sixth night, I saw something shiny on the floor next to the dreidels. I'm not chewing those dreidels again, I thought, but I'd take a few sniffs and licks to investigate. Zoe ran to Dad. "Latke slobbered all over the chocolate Hanukkah gelt." "Maybe we picked the wrong dog," said Dad. No, I'm the right dog. I love it here. I just need to learn the rules." Do you think they're going to keep Latke or give him back? Let's find out. On the seventh night, I found colored sticks on the table. Chew toys, maybe? But they got stuck in my teeth. Yuck! "Look!" cried Zoe. Latke chewed all the candles. Now we can't light the menorah. This time Hanukkah's really ruined. But Zach took the waxy mess out of my mouth. A little dog slobber didn't bother him. We can use our other menorah with the wicks and oil, just like the Maccabees did, he said. I think I get it now. I eat just what's in my dog dish. But I hope it's not too late. Hopefully he learned his lesson. On the last night of Hanukkah, I tried extra hard to be good. Before dinner, my family gave me a present. Here, Latke, you cutie pie, this is for you. Open it, said Zoe. Rip off the paper, said Zach. No way. I just sat there like the perfect pet. I don't want to go back to the shelter. Finally, they opened it for me. What do you think Latke got in his package? Something just for him. It's a chew toy for our own Latke. You can chew this all you want, said Zoe. For me? My very own chew toy? What a great family I have. I am one lucky dog. The end. So, thankfully that had a happy ending. Latke learned his lesson and they were able to all still be a family. So I hope you are getting lots of fun presents for Hanukkah. Maybe, did you get a dog? Probably not. But you never know. All right, my friends, that is all I have for you today. I hope that you have a wonderful winter break, and I will see you in a few weeks. Bye.